Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share some friend mail that I've received, and so let's just get into it. The first one is from Cathy, and she's at Cathy Create. I had entered into her subby, I think it was a subby challenge, and so that's what I'm thinking this is for. Wow, look at how pretty this card is. I love the background paper, and I don't know if you can see, but she's got some, I think this is diamond dust. I keep calling it diamond dust, but correct me if I am wrong. And I don't know if you can see it, but she has it all over that butterfly. So pretty. All the sparkles. And then this one too, she has it on this one's butterfly wings as well. Yeah, I'm not able to make it sparkle and do it justice. But she also has this chipboard piece layered up, and she added this banner flag. How pretty. And it's for Mother's Day. Thank you, girl. Thank you for thinking of me. It says Happy Mother's Day. Wishing you a wonderful Mother's Day, Cathy. Aw, thank you so much, Cathy. I appreciate you thinking of me for Mother's Day. I hope you had a blessed day as well and spent time with your family. Probably no other choice. Thank you so much, Cathy, for thinking of me. So that's Cathy at Cathy Create. No S on the end, just Create. And then my next one is from my girl, April. If you don't know April, check her out. She sells lovely embellishments. She does the paper rosettes, or crepe paper rosettes that everybody buys off of Etsy. And this is, oh, look at how pretty this mermaid card is. Oh, and it's a shaker. And she has some, like, you see the shaker bits that are in it. She has confetti pieces. Like, I'm not sure if they're vellum or crepe paper. And then she's got sequins, of course. All different types and shapes of sequins. Big and small, cupped and flat. Love it. And then she has this glitter foamed mermaid holding a pearl on a sequin shell. Can you guys see that? So cute. And then inside, oh, she wrote on the notes so I could reuse it. Thank you, girl. Look at the paper on the inside. It's like seaweed, I think. I don't, could be something else, but I'm going with it. Seaweed with bubbles. So cute. And she added these rhinestones at the top. Look at this paper. It's even a texture. Did you emboss this whole paper? Whoa. You can't tell. There's like a feel to it. Sorry. Feel-a-vision. Well, anyway, but she's just thanking me for thinking of her. Oh, I sent her a hang in there card earlier. And so, yeah, thank you, girl. Glad to know you and your family is doing well. Oh, and then she included, look at how cute, these embellishments. Thank you. So she has these embellishments she's made with, yeah, some heavy-duty cardstock. She used the Dollar Tree sentiment sheet, I believe it is. I don't know what it's called, sticker sheet. She's added some of these pink jewels and this glittered butterfly. And she's added 3 rhinestones to make the body. How cute. And then this one as well. She added a page, what's this? Flag? Page flag? Oh, and it's a washi tape one. I've not done that yet. Oh, I've got to try that. I have lots of washi tape. And then this one, she's layered 2 different layers, gold and silver. I love this cardstock. One, the gold, the glitter, I don't know if you can tell. It's like more fine than the silver and the blue one. And then she's added the same rhinestones and then the sentiment. Thank you so much, April. I appreciate both you ladies for thinking of me. And I hope you guys are all having a crafty day. And until my next video, shakas!